Hello ghouls. Today is Halloween for me, not for you. Certainly it is several days past Halloween for you because I'm very slow at editing anything. But today for me it's Halloween, which is really fun. We love Halloween, most people. We always say, right? Best time of the year, we love Halloween. Everybody does, and we think that we're like quirky for it, but I digress. I am also looking forward to Christmas. That's not the point of this video. So obviously Halloween, I'm wearing the fun, vibrant rave thing, but I would wear that any day of the week. I was just telling my boyfriend that I want one of these in every color so I can wear it under all of my clothes because it's really fun. The reason I'm wearing it is because I want to be an alien today. Only today. This is the day you can do it, right? Like this is the day that people aren't gonna be concerned about you. I think I might have concerned some people in my life with something similar to this during COVID. I went through this phase where like I thought I wanted to be a clown. And honestly, I still stand by it. Like it's really fun. I think it's really fun to put on like the cute, colorful makeup, the cute, colorful clothes. But yeah, it was COVID. I was lonely. It was a weird time, you know? I'm fine. And I only want to be an alien today on Halloween. My boyfriend and I weren't going to do anything originally for Halloween. We don't really have any friends in this area, so we didn't have any parties to go to or anything. No real reason to dress up. I was going to crochet something, but then I got busy with jewelry and stuff. We decided that we do want to do something tonight because it's freaking Halloween. Like, you're only 35 on Halloween once. So we decided we're going to dress up and go to the casino. And we wanted to be alien people. Well, I'm going to be an alien. My boyfriend is going to be just like a tinfoil hat guy with like an alien t-shirt. But I, because of who I am as a person, want to go like absolutely all out, even though we're probably only going to be there for like a couple hours and nobody's going to see me. But I will take a picture and post it on Facebook and Instagram, and that is fun for me. That's about the most fun that I have these days. So let me have it, okay? So very last minute. Also, I'm very broke and I just wanted to become an alien as cheaply as I possibly could. This thing here is going to be part of my costume, I think, and it was like $7. Before I go any further with this, I must say, I know people are going to be upset with me because I was mean to Taylor Swift and I said she shouldn't have supported fast fashion, and then here I am. I ordered this stuff on Amazon. I did, guys. Not that I have to explain myself to anybody, but truly 99.9% of my clothes are from the thrift store. I would swear on every cat in this apartment, and I own like this many clothes in a closet. Like that's why I'm wearing the same thing in like every single video, because I have hardly any clothes. I don't wear clothes. No, I do wear clothes, but I don't buy clothes very often unless they're from the thrift store. But I needed something cheap and fast. Give me a hard time if you must, but sometimes people order from Amazon. And last night that was me. I was scouring Amazon for hours. I came upon this, like I said, it was $7 and it is like a full shirt. I'm not obviously gonna show you right now. And then I got this Xenon S dress. This is a dress. It's very short. And it's not in my size at all. This is a size large. I usually wear a 2X. For some reason, the large in the metallic silver on this Amazon listing was $9. Every other size, every other color was like $28. I don't know why this one specifically was like on clearance, but I bought it just for the fabric. And I actually did try it on when it first came, and it goes on to my body. More like a shirt, but I don't know, we're friends, right? You and I. So I feel like I can show you what this looks like. Maybe I can show you. I'm gonna put it on and maybe show you. Okay, here's what we're working with. So as you can see, the large, not quite my size. I do kind of like how sheer it is on the back and you can like see the net through it. It's kind of giving alien, but the rest of it, very tight, very not that cute. Also these, absolutely cutting off the circulation in my arms. So you can see my dilemma here. I'm trying to figure out how I can use these pieces that I have acquired to turn myself into a cool little alien gal. Of course, I've procrastinated all day. It's like 5 p.m. We were gonna leave for the casino around 8. My original plan was to like cut this shirt up and sew it and, you know, like make it fit my body better, but I don't know that I have time for that now. So, I mean, I don't know. Is it fine the way it is? Should I just put on a bra and call it a day? If I do that, I'm definitely cutting the elastic out of these sleeves because these hurt, but everything else feels fine. I also got the cheapest makeup set that I could find. It doesn't even have a green, but I'm gonna mix a green, hopefully, with these colors. And I got a little set of green glitter that I'm gonna put in my hair and like on my face. I think I'm gonna do little space buns. Shoot, I was also gonna make antennas out of Model Magic, but I don't think I have time now because it's definitely not gonna solidify or, you know, dry in time. I think I am just gonna go with this fit. I'm not gonna cut, I don't really have time. So I'm just gonna like roll this up kind of so it's a shirt, which I think is like fine and cute. And then I've got a couple options for the bottoms. So I've got these green sweatpants, which have like cargo pockets. They're like kind of cute, but I feel like that's like a little bit lazy. But the only other real option I have are these green leggings that have like a black print on them. It's not at all the same green, but I feel like the print is like maybe kind of alien-y, maybe like alien language, you know? I don't know. Hold on, let me give you a full view of these sweatpants. Okay, so just kind of like ruched up so that it's shirt-like. And then here's the sweatpants. They're kind of cool. They're like baggy. They have cargo pockets. And then here's the leggings. Oh, I don't know. I feel like the leggings are probably cuter, but also I could like pull, if I wear the leggings, I could pull this down and wear it like a dress. That looks a little bit more intergalactic than the shirt situation, but either way, it's whatever. Yeah, I think the leggings are the move. Well, I fully expected to like pull out my sewing machine that I've never used and try to like sew this thing and use the fabric as something else, but I'm not gonna do that, I guess. The only alterations I'm gonna be making to this thing is to cut the elastic out of the sleeves, because that is the only part that I just like absolutely can't hang with. And I'm hoping if I just cut a little hole, the elastic will come out as one piece and I won't have to like cut the sleeve off. I do think this whole thing's gonna come out, which is really nice. So I'm just gonna cut it and, oh, wait, yes. Oh shit, it got stuck in there. Oh no. Okay, whatever, I just cut a new hole and I'm gonna pull it out. Can I? Or is it sewn in? No. Ha, ta-da! That's so much nicer. I think that'll look way cuter too, to have like a little bit of a bell sleeve. So I need to figure out what to do with my hair now. It would be a hair washing day if I weren't putting gel glitter in my hair. But I figured, why wash it if I'm gonna put gel glitter in my hair? So I didn't. I think what I want to do is leave a couple little doohickeys out and do some space buns, and then leave a little bit of hair hanging down that I'll put like some little braids and maybe a couple curls with my straightener. So I'm gonna try to figure out these space buns. I've never been very good at doing my hair. I have very thin hair, so I don't have a lot to work with as far as space bunning. I need them like way up here at the top. Do I want to do these like messy bun style, or do I want to just do like a pigtail and then like wrap it around like a little knob like that maybe? You know you're out of shape when you gotta take a little rest when you're doing your space buns because your arms hurt. I mean, certainly that's not the only thing that is a telltale that I'm out of shape, but it's one of them. Did you hear my neighbor sneeze? That's how thin these walls are. All right, for this one, I am gonna try doing like a messy bun style. See if that is cute. Oh, maybe not. Or maybe this little rubber band is gonna get hella stuck in my hair, but that is future me's problem. Oh, that's cute, I think. Is it? I think. A little. Kind of. Cuter than this. That's for dang sure. Yeah, I think that's fine. See if I can possibly make this one match. That seems like quite a feat. Ow. I hate these little rubber bands. It's so hard to tell if you're like doing it evenly, but I guess that's kind of the beauty of the messy bun. You can pull it around, and your excuse is that it's supposed to be messy. What do you mean? It looks like shit. It's supposed to be shit. Okay. Entirely uneven, but I think we can fix it. Cute? Yeah, that's cute. I've never been very good at curling with my straightener. That is not a curl. Oh my god, I just gave it a little bump. I can't find my curling ironer. I would just use that. Oh, there we go. I know that's like really jerky and hard to watch. I don't know how to do it. Oh, there we go. I couldn't really figure out how to curl with the straightener, so I just straightened it, and I did like some braids, some little twists, and then I'm gonna put the glitter. Probably just this chunky glitter, and I'm just gonna go for it, I suppose. This face is mandatory. Oh god. Oh, okay, bye. Very, very chunky. This is going everywhere. I thought that this would be more, I probably should have gotten gel and made my own gel situation, because these glitter flakes are not really wanting to stay. Everyone at the casino tonight is going home with empty pockets and a piece of glitter from my head. That's an absolute fudging mess. I'm gonna see if maybe mousse will help keep this glitter down. I don't have any hairspray. This is about the only thing I have. See if I can kind of glue it down to my hair. Oh, it's like all coming off on my hands. Well, maybe I can re-wipe it on here. Now for makeup. First order of business with the makeup is I have to try to make a green color. Okay, so obviously blue and yellow. I'm thinking like much more yellow than blue, actually. Get a big blob of white in there. Okay, here's my swatch. I think that's cute, because then I'm gonna like also contour and highlight, so it won't just look so seafoamy, hopefully. I cannot see even myself in this viewfinder with my glasses off, so hopefully you can see me and I'm in focus and everything. Oh, also I forgot, I wanted to leave the space around my eyes open. I found this reference photo where this girl does like a really cool eyeliner around her whole eye, and it looks like a little alien eye. I don't know if I can recreate that, but I want to try. Like I said, I can't really see myself, but from what I can see, I feel like it's giving Wicked Witch of the West vibes. This stuff actually is like pretty nice. Like I thought it was gonna be super sticky and oily, but it really feels like it's kind of drying on my skin almost. Like it feels like foundation-y. It doesn't feel super gross. And it was very cheap on Amazon. $5, I think. I'm looking at my reference photo of this beautiful, talented human, or is she? And I think I want to try to do this now before I like put makeup on my eyelids and stuff. I'm nervous to attempt this because I don't know if I'm skilled enough with eyeliner to do this. But it is so alien, and I like really want to have it on my face. So I'm gonna try. I need to bring this mirror real close to my face because I am way too sight impaired for this. Okay, I'm just gonna start here in the corner and go all the way up there. Oh my god, that's a mess. This is a bloodbath already. Okay, wait, that maybe is working a little. Like that. Maybe? Did I do it? I think so, yeah. And then just fill it in. You know how sometimes you see people like doing their makeup that maybe they're just not, you know, their skill level isn't there, no offense. And you're like, oh, you know, they tried. Bless their little heart. Is that what I'm doing right now? Is that what you're thinking about me? Because that's how I feel. I feel like it was going well and now it's leaning towards Kiss a little bit. I'm just trying to get it like a sharp point on the inner corner and it's really hard. It is a little bit Kiss-esque, but it's kind of cute, I think. I've secured fuel for the rest of this journey. Chipotle is so good. Also, I'm just now realizing I'm sitting here eating my Chipotle looking at this girl's picture, and I've realized that her little alien eye goes up way closer to her eyebrow. So I'm gonna have to fix that. Oh yeah. I think that's probably better. That's a good move. Oh yeah. Now can I possibly recreate this on the other side? Find out in 3, 2, 1. Did I do it? I think it looks pretty good. Now I'm just going around both eyes. I've already kind of mostly done it on this eye with this cheap little thing and just like outlining with the green. Can you see me? Am I in focus?
A dandelion must be the last one this season.
Okay, now I'm gonna mix up a darker, no, actually, I think I'll do the highlights or contour? Highlights. I'm gonna use just plain white in my finger, I guess, where I would normally highlight if I was doing human makeup. I don't know what I'm gonna do for my lips because I ordered some black lipstick, but it did not come. Thanks, Amazon. I'm sure Amazon has had a lot of orders today, so I don't really blame them. But I am not sure what to do with my lips. I do have a green lipstick, but of course it's not here, it's in my storage unit. I do kind of look as if like the Wicked Witch was really into Kiss. But honestly, that's kind of a cool costume. The Wicked Witch, but a huge Kiss fan. I'm gonna mix in some more of this blue, like a lot of this blue. Try to make a dark, maybe I'll have to add some black too. Try to make like a really dark green. This contour color is kind of more of like a blue gray, but that's fine. So I just want like the tiniest bit on this brush. Okay, it's a little bit green. I'm just gonna contour the actual F out of my face all the way around. Try to make it real dark and alien looking. This pinky lipstick is all I could find, so I think I'm done. I don't know, when I look at myself without my glasses, I'm like, this looks amazing. I am a visionary of makeup. But then when I like put on my glasses or take a picture of myself, I'm like, oh girl. So I think I need to add a little bit more visual interest in the form of glitter. I am just gonna go in with the same glitter that's in my hair. Maybe go on the, I don't wanna ruin anything, but maybe as like a highlight. Just a little something something, a little sparkle. A little something something, as if my entire face isn't covered in green paint. Yeah, whatever, that's good enough. Okay, here's the makeup. Let me go put on my outfit and then we are gonna leave soon. Alien activated. I didn't think about that before I pressed record. I'm done and we have to leave because it's past 8. Of course I took forever. Put some little thumb holes in these because my sleeves just kind of like hang now that I took the elastic out, but that's fine. So here's the fit. I'm wearing the leggings. I'm also wearing my Lisa Frank Crocs. Hold on, I'll get a better view of this, all of this. I know you want to see the whole thing. Intergalactic Planetary Crocs. Lisa Frank Crocs. There are aliens on these Crocs. Lisa Frank aliens, so I figured, I guess it works. But that's the fit. Unfortunately, I am an alien with pre-glaucoma, so I have to wear these glasses, but I paired them with these little star dangles that I made forever ago. We're gonna go to the casino now, have a good Halloween time. Hopefully there's more people dressed up there. My boyfriend looks really cute. He doesn't like to be on camera, so you won't see him, but he's wearing a cute little alien shirt and... You will? What is your character?
Some alien guy.
Alien guy. Tin hat.
Abductee, maybe.
Yes, you're about to get abducted.
If you play your cards right.
Jesus.
Not really. Not really.
Maybe that will not make it to YouTube. Anyway, we're gonna go play like $20 in slots and lose everything and come home and probably watch Hocus Pocus or something. I'll keep talking because I'll probably put in some B-roll from the casino. I am just gonna speak as if we've had the best time of our lives, because I'm sure we are. We're probably having a little drink. I'm probably getting anxious. I'm probably hyperventilating a little bit, but I am trying to do better because I've been reading a book that tells me to chill out, and that's what I need. I'm gonna go have a snack and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!